Welcome back to a new episode of Stupid, the baby food show. Everything is literally baby food.
Yeah, one of the worst things we've had recently was baby food. So we thought we'd go out and get a selection of
Even
different
baby food
jars and, because at some point in my life we all eat them, so let's see if they're just as good as they were back then as they are now.
Right, first thing, we've got Heinz
Barley
rusks, original
biscuits. I know I'm gonna like them, I remember them.
And
They were nice.
I also have Carrot Gate apple and cookie crumble. We've had most of the stuff with Carrot Gate.
Apple and cookie crumble. Another Carrot Gate. It's gonna be just minging. Carrot, potato, and lamb hot pot. We have. I'm looking forward to this because I reckon it might be nice. Chocolate and banana pudding. Nice. And I picked this one up because it's a weird combination, and I think it's going to be absolutely disgusting. I want to see me sick, but it is broccoli, pears, and peas.
Oh yeah, and today.
And it's just great. We had a bit of time off. So in Scotland, never really done one like that, but we'll get
We're going
some.
to be starting
we'll
doing
get
a
some
wee
stuff.
short.
We're going to just start doing them more often because we've got a bit more time in hand now. But I'm going to crack on my job.
Now.
Okay. He wants to do rusks because he doesn't want to do any of the other minging ones. He thinks, oh, let's do the nice one first. When you should really go, oh, let's do the nice one last. But rusks. Oh, and my computer just went. Okay. Right, rusks, same old rusks. I'll give them a wee bit. They smell a bit more bland than what they used to. It smells like cardboard, but cheers. Rust. Yeah.
Do you drink the Scotch and no sugar in it?
It's not as good as it used to be. It's more blander, and it get a really, really bad sweet aftertaste.
Yeah.
Per rusk, 4.9 grams, teaspoon of sugar in each rusk. Pretty bad for baby. But yeah. High turf.
Going to the end. Oh yeah.
High turf.
Very low one. With a vibrant basis.
High two.
Alright, Ella's kitchen.
Brought the tails and cheese. Yeah, have a teaspoon.
Oh, what?
Gonna load up a teaspoon, baby. Oh, no. Let's get our little bucket up here. Where's yours? No, you don't want to smell it. Trust me, you do not want to smell it. Oh, no, Robert. No, why are you wiping on me? Oh, no. It came out like, no, don't do it. It came out over Robert in the bucket. Cheers. 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 No, no. It's disgusting. Just try it, lick it. Take a lick. Just take a lick. Take a lick. At least lick it. Just a lick. Vomit.
I was like, you're gonna start off thing.
That's disgusting. That is the worst. That was worse than the last one. Never. I'm done. We've still got 3 more jars to try.
Screw it up.
Come on, we'll do the worst one. The other two.
Oh my
But
god!
because you know what, Robert? The other 2 are desserts. Other 2 are desserts, so they'll be nicer.
Dude, I've still got a thing on my spoon.
Now look. Yeah, I cleaned it up, yeah. But what I'll do, look. Yeah, look. Right, there's yours. Yeah. Look, here, what I'll do, look, just try and lick some after. I know it's just mean, but. Stop gagging! Right. It smells like an actual stew.
Yeah, it does.
It smells like a stew. It smells nice. But cheers. Vomit. Oh god. Vomit. Vomit. No, we got two more.
Absolutely screw this
No,
stupid
right.
shop.
Stop talking that.
Oh my god.
Here, here's your spin back.
Oh my god.
Here's your spin back. Come on. Come on. Come on. Dude, come on, look. Look, we've got 2 desserts left.
No, man.
Yeah.
No, I'm gonna wash this. I'm giving this wash with salt.
Hurry up. No. Hey, Robert. Come on. This one's actually smells nicer. This one smells nicer. Hurry up. Come on. Hurry up. Let's go. Yeah. It smells like apples. Apples. Yeah. Spoon.
Oh my gosh.
Spoon.
That smells
Yeah.
so clear, isn't it?
You want this one? Well, shut your face then.
I think
Same.
it's worth it.
Cheers. It's like apple. Apple. It's alright.
And the last one for last, the chocolate and banana pudding.
I'll tell you what. That one now. That's good. Mum's get apple and cookie crumbles. Right. Actually, I like that one. All the rest got a no rating. They were bad.
I know.
This one here, apple.
You
Easy.
want to find red faces.
I'm giving it a 3. If it was hot, I'd give it a 4. Actually, it's good. Hot, I'd give it a 4. It's actually not that bad.
Oh, well, you have to do this. Smell.
You really want to smell it?
Yes.
You don't want to smell it.
I ain't eating that.
You don't want to smell it. It's good.
Salty, that's salty.
It's not. Stop shaking it off. Banana chocolate pudding down the hat.
That's manky.
It's revolting. That is so bad. Don't be sick. Yeah, again, that's a 0. That's a big 0. Big apple. Apple pudding. Brilliant. Rest of me. Yeah.
That's the day show.
So what we found out is that babies are sick a lot because of awful food people give them. But, you know, what can you do? Make some for the baby because that is revolting. I would never give that to my child ever. Yeah, but never. If I knew it was like that, I would never. Anyway, stay tuned for the next one.
Like, subscribe,
Same old.
comment.
Yeah, leave a comment and what you want to see us try.
And the gaming channel's gonna be coming up soon, so yeah.
Long. It's always long, as always.
I'll never be fine.